Hey guys and ladies, Roger Lloyd here from the Carpet Cleaning World store. And I have a lot of new members and even myself that use low moisture carpet cleaning. But, a lot of guys say, "Hey Roger, man, I love your videos, man. I love your flyers. I love your ads, but you're not doing nothing for me with low moisture. Can I use your flyers or ads? Can I change them around for low moisture?" Well, absolutely. But I went you one step further. I was just sitting here playing with the spring flyers for the steam cleaning. I said, "Hey, wait a minute. Stop the press. The guys have been asking me about a flyer for low moisture." So I'm in the process of making the low moisture flyers, and I gotta tell you, I'm going to show you that I'm really liking the way this is going so far. Why don't we take a look? All right. So this is, of course, one of the flyers I was working on here. And I changed the picture here. And I put my Mighty Eco 17 on here, which is a low moisture cleaning machine. And as you can see, this flyer is really shaping up kind of nice. Like, I'm really liking it right now. So this is the one side of the low moisture flyer. And remember, for all you guys who are like, "Hey, Roger, man, I don't want to put 4 rooms out there for $95. Okay, you have to understand, all of this is editable. And we would add, now these aren't editable in Microsoft Publisher. These are ones that I would make you, because I made this in another Adobe software. So this isn't easy for you guys to adapt. I would have to do it for you. But anyway, you see this right here? It says your logo will go here. So whatever your logo is, you would just send it to me, and I would put it there. And then it would say professional carpet and upholstery cleaning. And then we could change that to, well, I would probably keep that there. But like all the stuff inside the coupons, they're 100% editable. You can change the prices, how many rooms you want, everything. And of course, all the 9s down here are where you would put your phone number. And then on this side, it says free estimate, because even though it's low moisture cleaning, they might have some pet problems or some severe stains or something at low moisture, like the one you see that because this is actually me cleaning this carpet, this spot in here, but that spot came up. But that's a yarn stain, and I used the Pro's Choice CTI's OS1 to really get that stain up. But anyway, this looks really good, and it's springy looking. So you're selling low moisture, introducing low moisture carpet cleaning. If you do low moisture, or if you started off in the business and that's all you have a special flyer for you. All right. So now let's look at another one here. All right. Nope, that's not. No, this is the pedal. This is for steam cleaning, but I have all my flyers. I'm getting ready for the spring season. So this is one for steam cleaning, so you guys can, pet odor removal, so you guys can see it. I have some nice pet odor removal EDDMs, which is every door direct mailers, or you can just use them as postcards and hand them out as well. All right. So, that's my realtor gift card. All right, give me a minute here. Let me get all this so I can get back to the low moisture flyer that I was working on. All right, so this is the other side of the low moisture flyer right here. And guys, I really put my back into this. Now, for all you smart guys that are reading the flyer saying, "Hey Roger, man, I see it say truck mounted hot water extraction. What type of wool you trying to pull over our eyes?" I'm not. I told you I'm in the process of constructing this as we speak. But with the picture and the springy looking colors, I wanted you guys to get first dibs so you can purchase this, because we are going to sell these in quantities. Remember, these are not editable. They are editable, but I'm going to edit them for you because this is an Adobe Photoshop software that I'm using. And unless you are trained, it's not that easy to do. So I will edit them for you, and then I will sell them in quantities. And I'll tell you what the quantities are should you choose to want to purchase them. But then you will be all ready for the springtime. And let's see what else I have here, since I'm already showing you my spring flyers that I'm offering to the carpet cleaning world store, that is, or group. If you're seeing this, then you can get it. Hold on. All right, there. Let me just get to the other things. I don't want to let too many cats out the bag. Oh, I might as well show you this one. This is if you guys do rotary jet extraction, this is a real nice one, man. You guys don't know. Are you ready for this? Guys, I'm working on this now for you. You can put your orders in now. I'm going to have special pre-spring discounts so you can get all your advertisement together now. You don't want to wait too long, because when you wait too long, you done thought wrong. Okay? So look, guys, if you do rotary jet, I know I had a Mighty T-Rex. I know that's me in the picture there. But even if you have a Rotovac or RX-20, it's still rotary jet extraction. And this is a very professional looking flyer. All right. So that's how we're going to do that. And I think I have one more that I want to show you. And then I'm going to let you guys get some rest, or I know I am. But anyway, no, that's it for now. But guys, you want to think about what I'm saying here. And guys, I'll give you this tip too, because a lot of you guys have been asking and going all these so-called Facebook classes and all that to learn how to use Facebook. Guys, I'm going to give you this tip for free. You see this? This is my Monday Facebook ad. You guys understand? Monday special offer. And then I have the 2 rooms for $80, whatever my special is. But then I give them a good before and after picture. Do you see this right here? You don't have to take no full-blown class to learn how to market on Facebook. You can just talk to me, and I already got Al Saunders. I'm doing his Facebook ads for him. And you want ads that give you results, not sit in a classroom where a guy is going to tell you all the wonderful things Facebook can do. He doesn't work for Facebook, and neither do you. You want Facebook to work for you. But anyway, I wanted to show you. So if you guys are doing low moisture cleaning, then you guys will see that you can buy, excuse me, it's late, or it's early rather, and I'm tired. But you can buy professional looking low moisture flyers advertising low moisture equipment right from here. And guys, I'm teaching a pet odor class at the ICE convention next week. So I just wanted you guys to see this. This is another Facebook ad. Pet odor removal is pet odor removal. Carpet cleaning is carpet cleaning. So this is a Facebook ad that I'm using, showing my black light, showing the nice little puppy going to the bathroom. Actually, he's licking his own spot there. Some before and after pictures of some pet stains. And then, of course, I'm showing them my BioClean and the before and after difference. So, guys, this is how you want to advertise on Facebook. And then you see here in my ad, it says, pet odor problems. I got the solution. Call for it. It has my phone numbers. And then it says, and start enjoying your home again. Don't be embarrassed by pet odor. When a healthy, oh my goodness, my battery's dying on my phone. All right, so that's it. That's getting ready to be time to shut this video down. But listen, I wanted you to see that you guys can definitely get your spring flyers from me. And, if you do low moisture, getting back to it real quick, I have some very nice low moisture flyers just for you to get you guys running, and you don't have to worry. Look how professional this is. And then I'm going to have where it says truck mounted hot water extraction right there. I'm going to put new revolutionary low moisture carpet cleaning. And it'll be nice, and it'll be professional, and it'll be yours, and it'll be you. And I also have some business cards to match the flyers. Okay? So you get the business cards with the flyers, and you get the, you're ready to go. You'll be ready to go for the whole spring season. And that's how you run a carpet cleaning business. All right? This is Roger Lloyd from the Carpet Cleaning World store, and I hope I'll be hearing from you soon. PM me or call me at 610-202-2294. Good night or good morning.